Good day, everyone. We are pleased to present the Employee Handbook of Gold Lane Press, a family-run commercial printing business based in Marikina City. As part of our course requirement, our group was assigned to craft an employee handbook that reflects the operations, values, and culture of a real business. We chose Gold Lane Press not just because of its long-standing presence in the printing industry, but also because of its inspiring origin and commitment to quality and service. Gold Lane Press was established in 1998, right after the owner's father ran for governor in Rizal. During the campaign, he purchased a printing machine to produce his own election materials. After losing the election, he turned what could have been a failure into a new beginning by starting a printing business with that same machine. Since then, the business has grown steadily. From humble beginnings, it now offers a wide range of services, from digital and offset printing to die cutting, lamination, and large format projects, serving clients from different industries with a reputation for reliability and quality. The company's mission is to deliver the best printing solutions to clients at the highest quality, fastest time, and most affordable costs. Its vision is to become one of the leading printing companies in Metro Manila by maintaining quality, reliability, and fair pricing. Gold Lane Press remains family run to this day. It is led by its president and CEO, who oversees the overall direction and day to day operations of the business. Supporting the leadership are four department heads, one each for operations, finance, marketing, and human resources. The company is also made up of skilled machine operators, graphic designers, binders, and administrative staff, all working together to uphold the company's standards of service and craftsmanship. At the heart of Gold Lane Press are three core values that guide how the company works and treats its clients. First is quality. With over 2 decades in the business, Gold Lane Press takes pride in delivering sharp, clean, and professional results. Next is reliability. Deadlines are sacred, so the team is committed to producing consistent results, making sure orders are completed on time. Lastly, affordability. Even with high standards, the company keeps its pricing reasonable to serve both businesses and everyday customers. These values shape how the team works and how they build lasting relationships with clients.
The recruitment and onboarding process at Gold Lane Press is a key step in building a strong team. We believe effective recruitment involves selecting individuals whose skills, mindset, and values align with the company goals, and we assess applicants not only on their qualification but also on their work ethic, reliability, and willingness to learn. When hiring, we first assess the need for new personnel and prioritize considering internal candidates. Our screening process includes an in-person interview and sometimes a skill test or portfolio presentation with the goal of ensuring the applicant is a good fit for the team. Before the job offer is finalized, a medical and physical examination is required. The onboarding process then ensures new hires are introduced to the company's operations, expectations, and safety procedures to help them adjust and perform better in the long run. At Gold Lane Press, training and development for new employees begins with a company orientation that covers the business's history, mission, values, and policies. This is followed by departmental orientation to familiarize new hires with their team, workflow, and daily responsibilities. A crucial part of the process is a complete safety briefing on proper machine handling, fire and electrical safety, and emergency plans as working with equipment and chemicals is common. The company also provides a week of unpaid on the job training for the specific roles such as print production assistants, layout and graphic design staff, and administrative and finance assistants. This hands on training helps new employees become familiar with the actual workflow, apply their skills in a real world setting, and meet the company's quality standards. Performance management at Gold Lane Press is a continuous process of setting expectations, assessing results, and supporting employees' growth. Quarterly performance assessments evaluate work output, reliability, and teamwork. For employees who have undergone internal training, performance is monitored post trainings to assess how effectively the new knowledge is applied. At Gold Lane Press, compensation is released weekly every Friday and can be dispersed via cash, GCash, Paymaya, or bank transfer. Base pay rates and overtime pay rates vary depending on the type of day worked, with multipliers ranging from 100% for an ordinary day to 260% for a regular holiday falling on a rest day. The company also provides a 13th month pay to all eligible employees, equivalent to 1 over 12 of the total basic salary earned, which is given on or before December 24th.
Now, let's talk about other compensation benefits. Golden Press believes that hard work deserves to be rewarded. That's why performance-based bonuses, ranging from project rewards to year-end incentives, are provided to recognize outstanding contributions. We also offer various types of leave to support our employees' personal lives. Fathers are granted 7 days of paid paternity leave, while mothers enjoy 105 days of maternity leave in full compliance with labor laws. Solo mothers and emergency cases are also given additional support. To celebrate life's milestones, we also offer one paid birthday leave every year. And to ensure recovery and wellness, employees receive 5 paid sick leave days on top of standard service incentive leave. Any unused days, they're convertible to cash. As a company that values security and stability, Golden Press ensures full compliance with government mandated benefits. We enroll all employees in PhilHealth, covering a portion of hospitalization and medical expenses. Our team is also registered with the Social Security System, also known as SSS, which protects them in times of sickness, disability, and retirement. Moreover, the Pag-ibig Fund provides employees access to housing programs and low-interest loans, laying the foundation for long-term financial security. Contributions to these programs are shared fairly by both employer and employee. At Golden Brass, health and safety are not optional, they are non negotiables. Our Marikina office is fully equipped with medical and emergency supplies, from first aid kits and BP monitors to boots and fire extinguishers. These are readily available to address health concerns and sudden incidents. In the event of an emergency, all employees are guided by our evacuation plan, which includes regular safety drills and designated assembly points. And should a medical emergency arise, we work with Marikina St. Vincent General Hospital for fast and reliable care. All incidents must be reported to HR for proper assistance and documentation. Ultimately, our goal is to make sure that every employee not only feels valued but also safe, secure, and supported at all times.
Gold Lane Press values professionalism, mutual respect, and collaboration in all workplace interactions. The company promotes a cultural of open communication and inclusivity and has outlined policies and workplace behavior, conflict resolution, and the team dynamics to foster a healthy work environment. The company also has a zero tolerance policy for all forms of discrimination and sexual harassments. Reports of such conduct should be made to a supervisor or the HR manager and will be handled confidentially. Employees are provided with a company uniform and are expected to wear it during work hours. When a uniform is unavailable, a plain navy blue shirt is to be worn as an alternative. Employees are allowed to use personal gadgets at work as long as it does not interfere with their responsibilities. Finally, the company prohibits solicitation and fundraising during work hours to maintain a focused environment.
Common workplace issues and resolutions. Miscommunication can lead to costly mistakes. To resolve this, we ensure that all instructions are clear and documented. Regular check-ins are also encouraged to avoid confusion. Disputes and conflicts between coworkers are common, especially in high-pressure moments. We resolve this by conducting confidential HR mediation and ensuring each role is well defined. Wage and salary issues are addressed by ensuring payroll accuracy and clear communication of policies to avoid any discrepancies. Attendance and punctuality concerns are dealt with through clear expectations and private discussions if needed. As for disciplinary issues, we handle these fairly by issuing verbal warnings first, followed by written warnings if necessary. Persistent issues may lead to suspension or even termination, always in line with company policies and after the opportunity to discuss the matter.
Gold Lane Press takes all employees' concerns seriously. If an employee has a complaint or feels that something at work is unfair, the company provides a safe and supportive way to raise the issue. No employee will face punishment for speaking up. Supervisors and managers are trained to handle grievances fairly, professionally, and without bias. The company is committed to responding quickly to help resolve any problems and make sure everyone is treated with respect. When it comes to termination or when an employee's position ends, whether due to performance issue, misconduct, or company changes, Gold Lane Press follows a structured and respectful process. This includes giving written notice, conducting an exit interview, reviewing the final paycheck and benefits, and collecting any company property. If severance pay or other benefits apply, employees will be clearly informed. Gold Lane Press aims to make the termination process professional, transparent, and fair to the individual. Regarding unionization, Gold Lane Press fully respect each employee's legal right to join or form a union. A union is a group that represents workers and helps them communicate as a team with management about things like pay, work conditions, and policies. If employees choose to unionize, the company will not stand in their way. Instead, it will take part in honest, respectful discussion and negotiations to ensure fair treatment for everyone. Gold Lane Press supports open communication between management and staff and is committed to working together in a respectful way, whether or not a union is involved.
Thank you for your time and attention. We look forward to building a positive and productive environment for our employees. Thank you and have a blessed day.